Hello guys. Here we have the two identical boards, exactly the same, exactly the same. Let's remove the RAM because what I'm about to do now, some of you will say, yeah, it's because there was RAM. What? Okay, fine. I can remove the network card, but anyway, let me show you this. These are two identical boards, exactly the same. To give you an advice or a tip, if you wanna master a laptop motherboard and become the best, you have to use the identical board when you are repairing another board. I know there will be a case where you won't have exactly the same board, but it's fine. But for your own experiment and for your own experience, believe me, use the identical board in case you are dealing with a seriously challenging motherboard. I got this tip when I was watching Louis Rosman. That guy is very smart. He did mention this, saying if you wanna be the best and understand the motherboard, you have to use the two identical boards and check the measurements between the two boards. Okay, let me just make it short. The issue with this board, both motherboards are dead. They can't be fixed. They have different issues. They can be fixed, but they have different issues. This one came to me with missing chips, plenty of chips, which is fine. No issues with that. And then this one came with Brendan to be repaired. So watch here. The CPU is shorted. Okay, so what you do, take your multimeter, turn it on, you put it into a continuity mode, and you check for shorts. You compare the two things to ground. This is shorted. There's a short on the CPU. The CPU it's gone now. It's shorted to ground. Not exactly the same straight to ground, but it is to ground. Let's come to this one. We'll check on that exactly the same point. So let's check this one. Get 20. See the difference? See the difference between the two? This is 0, 0, 1, and this is 20. The CPU is gone. Yeah, the CPU or the PCH, but within the CPU, something is gone there. It's shorted to ground. Anyway, this is it. I'm gonna stop there. I like to do short videos sometimes. Anyway, guys, I love you. Take care. Stay tuned. And use identical board in case you are having some difficulties. Bye bye.